oneofoneboxbreaks.com. We're doing some limited tonight, guys. It's got a little chrome kicker. There's 3 of these breaks out of this one sealed case right here. All right, let's get this randomization out of the way for number 1, then we'll crack that, see how we can number boxes or what we can do to secure them for the next 2 breaks. All right, guys? We got 2014 Panini Limited 5-box mixer with chrome and jersey entry. That's right, the chrome box is getting opened up with the 5 boxes. Then everybody that buys into the break gets a jersey entry. And if you go hitless in tonight's break, I'm going to put you into a random taking 5 for our Super Bowl bracket. That's right, guys. Chris D, Charlie C, Michael P, Anthony E, Jonathan S, Sean P. Welcome back, buddy. Chris D, Chris P.A., Ben T, Sean P again, Alan T, Matt S, Chris DR, Dougie Z, Michael P.A. Who else? Al H in the house. Anthony ER getting in the mix. Dougie Z, Chris D at the bottom. There you go, Lake Man. All right, I'm going to copy up these 32 here, guys. I'm going to open up my random.org, and I'm going to paste you in. Chris D at the bottom. Chris D at the top. There should be 32 items. Let's do this. Here's number 1. 32 items on our list. That S at the top. Let's do number 2. Oh, Dougie Z at the top after number 2. And then, bam, there it is. Hey, Boofer 77. There's the 3 times. There's the 32. You should have seen their battle with that triple threads the other night. Oh my gosh. Copy these up. Open that up. Paste those in. Let me hit print. All right. Here's your teams, guys. I'll show you the sheet one more time before we get going. But here's a quick snapshot of your teams. All right. Here's our sheet. I'm going to keep this for the bad breaks. There we go. Here's your teams one more time, guys, before we get crack-a-lackin' here. Yeah, right. They're from opposite sides of the country, too. That's the funny part. Actually, Chris DR, don't know the guy, but he's from Anaheim, which is about 30 minutes from me. Yeah. He's a local boy. All right. There we go. There's your sealed case there. Thank you guys very much for helping fill this bad boy up tonight. Number 2's on sale. You got your lucky numbers. Go ahead and grab them. Here we go. Let's see here. All right. So we start at the top and forward facing. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these bad boys right here for number 1. I'm going to do this real strategically here, guys. I swear. Oh my gosh, they're like impossible to get out of there with any type, without doing the dump. It's impossible. It is just impossible. There we go. There's number 4. And there's number 5. I know that was a little confusing there, guys, but those are 5 for the break here. And then what we'll do is this. These boxes are black, so good luck marking any type of numbering on them. But we're just going to sock these bad boys up for tomorrow. All nice and sealed back up for tomorrow's breaks, guys. All right. That might end up being the one, guys. Okay, here we go. Limited 5-box mixer number 1 with the chrome. Let's start with the chrome. Why not? 5714. Oh. All right. Going to start off with this. First box, here we go. 2014 Topps Chrome. We should get one Chrome Rookie Auto out of this. A whole bunch of other Chrome Rookie stuff. All right. Pack number 1. Taylor the 1. David Fales refractor. Earl Thomas. Really do appreciate it, guys. I didn't really think this would fill tonight. You guys came through. Well, Stephen Morris. X-Fractor. These things are awesome. Non-numbered version there. Let's go to the Jaguars. Antonio Brown, who had the Jaguars, Chris Dr. Tom Savage. Then we got a little ASJ die-cut rook there. For the Bucks tonight, LH. There you go, Al. Al hit that Super Bowl ticket 101 the other night. Out of contenders. Jake Matthews for the Dirty Birds. Awesome card. Congratulations, Al. And welcome back. Devon Street, CJ Fedorowicz, and Julian Edelman. Devontae and Devontae, little back-to-back Devontaes there. Still waiting on our Chrome Auto. I think the last one was Andre Williams. Let's see who they throw at us this time. Carlos Hyde, Mike Evans mini there. For the Bucks, LH. Joe Flacco. Remember, guys, go hitless in the break tonight. Get yourself some Super Bowl spots. $4,000-yard club, Peyton Manning. Let's go to the Broncos, Anthony ER. We get one of these a case. Not bad, buddy. There you go. Does not count as a hit, though. Mario Williams. Bruce Ellington. No way. Aaron Rodgers, check this out. Go Chrome. Andre Williams. Didn't I just... Oh, man. Andre Williams. Back-to-back boxes. Wouldn't you just love yourself if you got that case? Go to the Giants. Dougie Z.I. Buy test the dust over on Breakers. There you go, bud. Oh, Andre Williams for you. And hey, Dougie, the Giants are off the board for the Super Bowl spots. You got a couple other spots in the break, though. Fantasy Focus, Des Bryant, Josh Gordon. All right. Little Deion Buchanan refractor. Robert Quinn at the back. Oh, Boofer. Oh, Boofer. Jarvis Landry. Brian Hartline. What's up, guys? It's Saturday night. Thanks for hanging with Heavy D tonight. Keenan Allen. That's a blue border there. It's be 190 out of 199. It's going to the Chargers. Allen T. There you go. And Deshaun Jackson. Ahmad Dixon. Blake Bortles, tall boy there. Richard Shermanator. Taj Mahal boy. Dion Bailey. Jimmy G. Aaron Murray. C-Lat. And Cam Newton. Still got about 7 or 8 packs left here in Chrome, guys. We're already done with our hit, unless they threw something extra in here. Martavis Bryant mini. T.Y. Hilton. Terrence West. Sammy Watkins. Storm Johnson refractor. C-Pack. Brandon Coleman. Mike Evans, Blue Wave refractor. It's pretty hot there. It's going to go to the Bucks. Al H. All the little short print love lately, huh? And then Keenan Allen. All right. Thanks for tuning in tonight, guys. Really do appreciate it. Well, Devontae Adams, black border. 37 out of 299. That's going to be going to the Pack Attack. Chris D with the Packers. George Atkinson. DeAnthony Thomas refractor. Andrew Luck. 3 packs. Nope, 4 packs left. 4 packs left in Chrome. Chrome goes for days, right? Calvin Pryor. Then we got Greg Robinson, green border. These are non-numbered, though. That's going to be going to the Raiders. Dougie Z. AJ Green. Michael Sam. Alshon Jeffrey. Jason Pierre-Paul. 2 left. 2 left, then we'll get to that limited. Like I said, number 2 is up. Topps Fire is up. Grab your teams. Brandon Cooks. Refractor there. DeAndre Hopkins. That one's team style. Release day break. A couple other things coming out around then. Immaculate and museum collection. Zach Mettenberger, Torrey Smith, and Marshawn Lynch. And that's going to do it for Chrome. We got Fire up right now, team style. I think museum collection. We're going to do a random mixer with some cool giveaways. And then I'm not sure about Immaculate. Might wait till it comes down a little, like baseball. Let's see. We got limited coming at you. Let's see here. I wouldn't know by your by your email or anything. What's your first name and the last 2? Is it Sean P? If so, you got the Lions, the Chiefs, and the 49ers. If you're Sean P.E. All right, we're unlimited. Andre Williams was our hit out of Topps Chrome. And we've got 5 boxes of limited coming your way. Remember, 2 guys, If you go hitless, you got a chance at the Super Bowl slots. Also, too, every spot that you bought got you a chance at a jersey. We're going to do that after break number 3 sells out. Here's box number 1 of limited. Good luck to you guys. Here we go. See if this can pick up where the last one did. Yeah, Sean P for sure. Sean P's got the Niners, the Chiefs, and the Lions. All right. First card, Ryan Matthews. 121 out of 399. And that's going to be going to the Chargers. Alan T with the Chargers. And then we have Alshon Jeffries. 290 out of 399. Let's go to the Bears, Dougie Z. Let me give him the flip. All right, not bad. Peyton Manning. 8 out of 10. Triple patch Peyton Manning. Some nasty Broncos swoosh in there. That's going to be going to the Broncos, Anthony E.R. Who for 77 on the chat. Well, 8 out of 10 Peyton Manning. Get you started off with box number 1. And taking the Broncos off the list for the Super Bowl slots. And then we've got Trent Murphy. That's 30 out of 49. I could hear it behind me, but I couldn't see what was going on. And that's going to be going to the Redskins, guys. Michael D. Mike D. Very nice, sir. The Redskins are off the board. And so are these guys. The Saints. Brandon Cooks. 72 out of 199. It's going to them, Saints. Jonathan S. Nice 3-color patch rookie auto. Brandon Cooks. These cards are nice. I like them. All right. Box number 1 down. Let's get into number 2. Little 8 of 10. Peyton Manning triple patch out of the first box. Not bad. Not a bad way to start. Let's see what nastiness they got waiting for us in here. Pack feels heavy. It's always a good sign, right? Always a good sign. One from there. Here we go. Matt Forte. 282 out of 399. That's going to the Bears. Dougie Z. That was Mike D. The Redskins, Mike D. Yeah, Mike P., you have the Steelers, the Cowboys, and the Bills. Mike P., yeah, Mike D. has the Redskins. I know, it's confusing, right? Cecil Shorts the third, 78 out of 399. Going to the Jaguars, Chris Dia. Let me give him the flip. Woo! Nice. 14 out of 25. Triple partners. Andrew Luck, T-Rich, Dante Moncrief. That's going to the Colts. Allen T.H. That'll take the Colts off the board. And then Robert Turbin. That's going to be 18 out of 35. Let's go to the Seahawks. Chris DR with the Seahawks. All right, and then we've got Limited Threads, 23 out of 99, Tony Romo. Let's go to the Cowboys, Michael P.A. There you go, Lakeman. Get you on the board. Takes the Cowboys off the board. And then, Rookie Phenoms level 1, Bishop Sankey. And that's going to be going to the Titans, Chris D. All right, and the Titans are off the board for the Super Bowl slots. All that information will be up by the end of the night as well, guys. Like I said, round 2 of this stuff, it's going for tomorrow. You got the jersey entry as well. You're going to have some Super Bowl slot entries with that. It's going to be pretty cool, guys. got less than a month to fill that bad boy up, so I'm going to be giving away like at least 5 slots a break until it's full. Box number 3 of the limited break. Here we go. Let's see if we can get a short print auto instead of all these short print patches, right? First card, Greg Jennings. 101 out of 399. Let's go to the Vikings, Chris D. And then Aaron Rodgers. That's 161 out of 399. That's going to be going to the Pack Attack, Chris DR. With the flip. Extra card here. Reggie Bush. 34 out of 99. That's going to be going to the Lions, Sean P. And then a limited quad partnership, 15 out of 50. Cam Newton, Calvin Benjamin, Greg Olsen, and Jonathan Stewart. That's going to be going to the Panthers. The Panthers tonight, Chris DR. That's going to take the Panthers off the board. As well as these guys. The Browns, Terrence West. 23 out of 99. Jumbo patch. Let's go to the Brownies. Charlie CO. Charlie12272 on the chat. And don't go nowhere, Charlie. Dion Lewis. 38 out of 50, Dion Lewis. And that's going to be going to the Brownies. Charlie CO. What up, SA? Yeah, number 2 is up. Topps Fire release break team style is up too, guys. Then we got Q. We got Q coming up. Q's coming up Wednesday. Got more limited for tomorrow. If we do both of them tomorrow, the 2 that are left, we'll do the jersey giveaway tomorrow night. Giving away some Super Bowl slots. Like I said, all that information will be up by the end of the night, even though I'm giving away the first 5 spots tonight. Yeah, they have. Box number 4, guys. Is it me, or could it just heat up some more? I think it could. I think it's this way. Yes, it's this way. Okay. Steve Smith Sr. 288 out of 399. That's Wednesday. SA, at least the first box anyway, if it fills. 288 out of 399. But Q is the Wednesday break. It's going to be going to the Ravens. Chris PA. And then Matt Ryan. 206 out of 399. Matt Ryan going to the Falcons. Anthony E. with the Falcons. The flip. Wow, that's awesome. Limited partnerships duo, Mikey G, ASJ. This next card is hot. And that's going to be going to the Bucks, Al H. Al H with the Bucks. We're going to skip that card and go to this one. Eric Ebron. 34 out of 99, Eric Ebron. Jumbo patch. And let's go to the Lions. Sean P. with the Lions. So the Bucks and the Lions off the board. Oh man, I'm gonna get a case for this one. You guys didn't run me out of this size plastic on the contenders, but this is a pretty nice auto here. Someone did pretty well, I think anyway. Nicholas Folsom Prison, Matthew Barclay. Limited combos, 2 out of 10. There it is. And that's going to the Eagles, Chris DR. Yeah, that's awesome. The Q is cool too, guys, because you get to pick your hit. Well, you got to get a random. If you get the last pick, though, you get more than one card, so that's pretty sick. 2 out of 10 limited combos auto, Nick Foles, Matt Barkley. And that's going to the Eagles, Chris DR. Very nice hit right there. Eagles off the board. One more box left, guys. Nice little dual patch auto right there. And we're on box number 5. Something tells me there's a lot more beastiness to come out of this limited case. We got 4 101s last time. Sure, there's at least 1 or 2 of them. We've done 2 cases of limited and gotten 7 1-of-1s, I believe. Yeah, I saw the bloody Tyson trousers. I saw it. All right, here we go. Tavon Austin, 61 out of 399. That'll be going to the Rammies. Dougie Z with the Rams. Then we got Antonio Brown. $358 out of $399. Going to the Steelers, Michael P.A. The Flip. Dan Marino. 11 out of 99. Triple patch, Dan Marino. And that's going to the Dolphins, Chris DR. Taking the Dolphins off the board. And then Travis Swanson, 8 out of 10. That's going to be going to the Lions, Sean P. Yeah, those Leaf Q cards are sick. And the last card of the break, Logan Thomas. 71 out of 199. Phenom's 3-color patch auto, Logan Thomas. Let's go to the Cardinals, Ben T.H. And that's going to take the Cardinals off the board for the Super Bowl slots. We're going to go ahead and we're going to do that giveaway real quick. Let me go ahead and queue up the random.org, guys. Give away the Super Bowl slots. I'm doing a Super Bowl bracket. It's for site credit. There's 100 slots. We're giving away the first 5 tonight. All of the artwork and literature for it's going to be on the site before the end of the night tonight, guys, okay? So if you were hitless, you had the 49ers were hitless tonight, the Bears. Bengals and Bills went hitless tonight. Got a chance at $100, possibly more if you get more spots in that Super Bowl thing. Chargers, Chiefs, Falcons, Jaguars, Jets. Let's see here, the Packers, Patriots, Raiders. Rams, Ravens, Steelers, Texans, and Vikings. All right, guys, I'm going to randomize these 3 times. Going to take the top 5. You guys are going to get Super Bowl slots. Here we go. If you had the 49ers, Bears, Bengals, Bills, Chargers, Chiefs, Falcons, Jaguars, Jets, Packers, Patriots, Raiders, Rams, Ravens, Steelers, Texans, or Vikings, you wouldn't hit listen tonight's break. Going to randomize this 3 times. Take the top 5 for the Super Bowl slots. And almost half the teams got a hit. There's number 2. Taj Mahal Boyd. And boom, there it is. There's your 5 entries. The Patriots, Jaguars, Rams, Texans, and 49ers in that order. The Patriots, Chris P.A. The Jaguars, Chris D.R. The Rams, Dougie Z. Then we got the Texans, Chris D.R. as well. And the 49ers in the last spot, Sean P.E. with the 49ers. Okay, so those 5 right there, those are the first 5 entries into the Super Bowl bracket site credit giveaway. Giving away $200 in site credit, guys. 25 for first, 50 for second for the half. Third will be another 25, and the final score is going to be $100. So the first 5, your first 5 entries. Got 95 more entries to go, guys. I'll have all the artwork and literature for that up tonight. I really do appreciate it, guys. Definitely the hit of the break was the dual patch auto for the Eagles, Chris D. The Nick Foles, Matt Barkley to 10. That was pretty nice. Other than that, that's going to do it for that break. So let me go ahead and save the video, and I'll be right back with you guys. Thanks for hanging in there, oneofoneboxbreaks.com.